Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cheap butane torch lighters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Mrs. Brog Triple Torch Cigar Lighter. If you are a fan of shiny things, then you will love this gold torch lighter. This luxurious lighter is made with high-quality materials that increase its durability. Keep refueling it and it will last you for a very long time. It is slim and lightweight, so you can easily carry it anywhere you want. It has a great appearance and great functionality. It has an ergonomic grip which allows you to hold it comfortably. It also has an adjustable flame which you can adjust according to your need. You will definitely need a high flame in windy areas. Number 2. Our second best pick is Culinary Blow Torch, top quality budget kitchen torch. This versatile butane torch lighter has the ability to make yummy desserts, light cigars, and it can even be used for soldering. It is manufactured with materials of high quality including aluminum alloy. It has an ABS plastic handle that provides a non-slip grip and also ensures the comfort of the user. You can easily work with it for as long as you want comfortably. Because of its high build quality, this product is usable for a long period of time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mantello Cigars Torch Lighter, Triple Jet Flame Butane Lighter. This modern yet simple looking lighter is a triple flame butane torch lighter. It has a non-slip grip which allows you to get the job done with one hand. It also is very easy to ignite. It has a high-quality internal and external body which ensures that it is long-lasting. Whether you are sitting on your sofa or walking on a street, this lighter will provide you with a nice and steady flame. It is a perfect torch lighter for everyday use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vertigo by Lotus Cyclone Triple Torch Cigar Lighter. This unique-looking lighter is available in the color charcoal. It has a sturdy outer that makes it long-lasting. Its unusual design and efficiency attracts a lot of cigar connoisseurs. The triple flame provides a precise and steady flame which is appreciated by the cigar smokers. It is a pocket-size lighter that has a safety cap as well, so you can easily carry it. It will gain a lot of attention because of its unique design. Since it is refillable, you can easily refill it with butane when you need it. Also, the fuel level window guides you about the refilling. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Scorch Torch Skyline, Best Torch Light for Cigar. This torch lighter has a very elegant design. It has a black body with silver details and it comes with a safety cap that will prevent you from accidents. You can keep it in your pocket without any worries. However, the safety cap is manual, you can open and close it according to your need. Since it is manufactured with high-quality materials, it is a durable product and you can use it for a long period of time. Also, it is wind-resistant, so it will provide a steady flame even in the windy weather. It is a lightweight and handy product which you can use indoors and outdoors as well. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.